Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at home. Students, today we will learn about the MCQs of our reader book First Flight, and all these questions are based on our prose and poetry from the text. Now these types of questions are called as multiple choice question. Now the question number 1 is, who read the letter sent by Lencho? Who read the letter sent by Lencho? Lencho के द्वारा जो लेटर भेजा गया था उसे किसने रीड किया था? His wife, the postmaster, his friend or God? The correct answer is the postmaster. Second, what did Lencho call the employees of the post office? Lencho ने post office के employees को क्या कहा? Greedy, idiots, crooks, cheats. Now the correct answer is crooks. Third, how did the dust of snow affect the poet? Dust of snow किस तरह से poet को affect करती है? It had him energetic, it changed his mood, it made him sad, it made him superior. Answer is, it changed his mood. Next, what is ice a symbol of? Lust, love, desire, hatred. Ice जो है वो किसका symbol है according to poem? So answer is, ice is a symbol of hatred. Fifth is, the depths of operations create. कि depth of operations जो है वो क्या create करते हैं? Poverty, lack of freedom, heights of character and boredom. So the answer is height of character. Who was sworn in as the first deputy president? कौन जो था वो डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट के प्लेस पर चुना गया था? तो नेल्सन मंडेला, थाबो मैकबेकी, मिस्टर डेक क्लाव एंड जेनानी. आंसर इज थाबो मैकबेकी. सेवेंथ इज, हाउ डज द केज्ड टाइगर रिएक्ट टू द विजिटर? जो केज्ड टाइगर था वो विजिटर्स से कैसे रिएक्ट करता था? ही इग्नोर्स देम विथ अ हैप्पी फेस, विथ अ सैड फेस, with a growl. Answer is, he ignores them. Next is, the lesson his first flight is about a pilot, parrot, mother, seagull. Answer is seagull. Ninth, what did the family feast on to celebrate seagull's flight? कि जो फैमिली थी सीगल की, उसने सीगल की फ्लाइट के लिए क्या फीस्ट जो था वो रखा हुआ था? Starfish, dogfish, jellyfish or catfish? Answer is dogfish. Now the 10th number, what instructions did the pilot receive on radio when he contacted Paris control? कि पायलट ने कौन सा इंस्ट्रक्शन जो था वो रिसीव किया जब उसने रेडियो से कांटेक्ट हुआ उसका पेरिस कंट्रोल के? To turn 12 degrees north, to turn 12 degrees south, to turn 12 degrees east or to turn 12 degrees west? Answer is to turn 12 degrees south. Next is, which aeroplane was the author flying? His old Dakota, his new Mirage, his big Boeing and his old Douglas. Answer is his old Dakota. Next, in the ball poem, what does in the word of possessions means? ball poem में the word of possessions का मतलब क्या है? Love, hate, materialistic thing, none of these. The answer is materialistic things. Next question, who is Anne's long-awaited friend? Anne की long-awaited friend कौन थी? Her cat, her dog, her diary or her father? Answer is her diary. Who assigned Anne an essay on the subject a chatterbox? किसने Anne को a chatterbox subject पर essay लिखने के लिए दिया था? Mr. Jacques, Mr. Keesing, Mr. Jacob, Mr. Richard. Correct answer is Mr. Keesing. Next, what name did the author give to her diary? Author ने अपनी डायरी को क्या नाम दिया था? Bitty, Kitty, Kitten, Mitten. The correct answer is Kitty. Now, sixth one, if Amanda is an orphan, what will she do? कि अगर अमांडा अनाथ होती तो वो क्या करती? She will roam about in the street. She will tease everyone. She will not complete her homework. All of the above. According to poem, the correct answer is she will roam about in the street. 17. What does the poet ask Amanda to stop doing in the last stanza of the poem? कि अमांडा पोयम में जो पोएट है वो पोयम में उसे क्या नहीं करने के लिए बोल रहा है. आंसर इज स्टॉप सकलिंग. 18th, हु लिव्ड इन बॉगिंग साइड. बॉगिंग साइड में कौन रहता था? मैडी, पैगी, जेन, वांडा. आंसर इज वांडा. 19, हु वॉन द कॉन्टेस्ट अमंग द बॉयज. बॉयज के बीच में जो कॉन्टेस्ट था वो किसने जीता था? जैक बेगल्स, रॉन वेस्ले, हैरी पॉटर, रिचर्ड गियर. आंसर इज जैक बेगल्स. 20th, in a letter whom did Wanda want her green dress drawing to be given. लेटर में वांडा ने अपनी ग्रीन ड्रेस की जो ड्राइंग थी वो किसे देने के लिए कही थी? पैगी, मैडी, मिस मैसन, जैक बेगल्स. आंसर इज पैगी. So students, here there are 20 multiple choice questions from our first flight textbook. In next video, I will give you more 20 questions. So you have to practice these questions.